Assalamualaikum, my name is Mohammad Izzuddin bin Jamil, and the topic of this video today is about neural network. Artificial neural network is the functional unit of deep learning. Deep learning uses artificial neural network which mimic the behavior of the human brain to solve complex data-driven problems. Deep learning itself is a part of machine learning, which fall under the larger umbrella of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning are interconnected fields. Machine learning and deep learning aids artificial intelligence by providing a set of algorithms and neural networks to solve data-driven problems. Deep learning makes use of artificial neural networks that behave similar to the neural networks in our brain. A neural network functions when some input data is fed to it. This data is then processed via layers of perceptrons to produce a desired output. This machine learning method is based on web of simple computation units that work together to solve complex problems. Each unit has a simple task, outputting true or false based on several inputs. These units are grouped into three categories: the input layer, the hidden layer, and the output layer. The input layers reads an image of someone's face. Each unit in this layer uses a single pixel color as its input. The hidden layers recombine the input layer's output. The units in each hidden layer draw from the previous layer's unit to create new outputs. The meaning behind the hidden layer's output is often too abstract for humans to understand. Finally, the output layer gathers the last hidden layer's outputs and translates them into understandable results. For facial recognition, the output could consist of a single unit, whose output says whether the image matches a given person's face. Once it's set up, the neural network can learn from incorrect guesses by adjusting how its unit react to their inputs. This process, called training, usually unfolds over millions of attempts. Training gradually improves the network until it's accurate enough to be used in real-world face matching with unknown data. This is some application of neural network. Visual translation is an interesting application of deep learning. It can be used to identify images that have letters. Once you identify them, they can be turned into text, translated, and then the images are recreated with translated text. In fact, Google has an app for this purpose. It's called the Google Translate. Let's not forget to mention automated self-driven cars. Deep learning has played a huge role in the field of self-driving cars. From Tesla to Google-owned Waymo, self-driving cars are being perfected with the help of neural networks. And of course, we have virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Cortana that can literally read your mind. Virtual assistants are purely based on technologies including deep learning, machine learning, and natural language processing. Apart from this, deep learning has also made its way into the gaming industry. So all of you Dota fans out there might have already heard about the famous OpenAI 5. Which is the first AI to beat the world champion in an esports game after defeating the reigning Dota 2 world champion. Post-victory, Bill Gates tweeted, quote, "AI just beat humans at the video games Dota 2. That's a big deal because their victory required teamwork and collaboration, a huge milestone in advancing artificial intelligence." The application of deep learning are not just restricted to just games and machine translation. In fact, deep learning has found its way into the creative art and music field. An AI-based system called MuseNet can now compose classical music. MuseNet, a deep neural network that can generate 4-minute musical composition with 10 different instruments, and can combine styles from country to Mozart and to the Beatles. Another creative product of artificial intelligence is a content automation tool called Wordsmith. Wordsmith is a national language generation platform that can transform your data into insightful narratives. Tech giants such as Yahoo and Microsoft are using Wordsmith to generate around 1.5 billion pieces of content every day. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe, and Assalamualaikum.